Here's how I got the only dismissal in a 60 co-defendant RICO drug case. The case was a massive drug investigation. It included wiretaps, surveillance, buy-busts, search warrants. My client was arrested when they executed a search warrant on his house. The reason they executed a search warrant on his house is because they had noticed that the garage that was attached to his house was being used in the operation. When they went into the house, they found a bunch of drugs in a room, which they said was his room and were his drugs, linking him to the operation. The first thing I did was touch base with the landlord and determine that the garage, which was linked to the drug operation, had a separate lease to somebody else from the house it was attached to, which is where my client was. So I was able to use the lease agreements to show that he was not part of the garage. Second, the drugs were found in a bedroom. I argued it wasn't my client's bedroom. To corroborate that, the other resident testified that she was in that bedroom along with her significant other. That significant other OD'd. I was able to use the fact to show that yes, even though there were a lot of drugs, we clearly had a heavy drug user. After the judge heard that evidence, he dismissed the charges against my client.